I'm sure you've hit that moment, ready to print but nothing happens. AirPrint can be great, but when it fails, it's super frustrating. Let's get your Canon printer working again. First, make sure your Canon printer and your Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, AirPrint won't work. So double-check those connections. Next, restart both your printer and your device. Sometimes, a quick reboot is all it takes. Still not working? Open your printer's settings and check for any firmware updates. Outdated software can block AirPrint from connecting. If you see an error, try resetting your printer's network settings. Look for a reset or network reset option in the printer's menu. After resetting, reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi. Also, make sure AirPrint is enabled on your Canon printer. You can find this setting in the printer's control panel or user manual. Finally, on your Apple device, swipe to the app you want to print from, select your Canon printer, and try again. If it prints, you're good to go. If not, visit Canon's support site for model-specific help. Most connection issues are simple to fix. Don't let AirPrint hiccups slow you down. Follow these steps, and you'll be printing again in no time.